kind of an interesting area, but I wanted to focus on this one. This is behind Grand Lapa. So this little area that's kind of a Portuguese looking area, and it's kind of cool looking. So we're gonna go into this area, show you what it looks like. So yeah, you got this nice little plaza behind Grand Lapa.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so straight ahead we have the Sands Casino. Just to give you a little reference point, we're gonna go around the back of it. It's kind of cool space over there. It's a little Portuguese little area that's connected to this place, which is called Grand Lapa. So Grand Lapa Casino is right straight ahead, right up there. And then this one is called Casino Eastern. And I don't know much about Casino Eastern. I think it's just maybe just purely gambling. And then we have the Wado Casino right there. Grand Prix right there. So the Grand Prix is set up for November 2020, and there's World Trade Center right behind it. But we're going to be focusing on Grand Lapa, Casino Eastern, going around Casino Eastern, and then the Sands. And then just for a little bit of reference points, that over there is called Fisherman's Wharf. I do have some other videos about Fisherman's Wharf. Just do a search for them within Get Sidetracked. If you're not sure how to do that, you can ask me for one, or you can just intuitively do it by you know, going into your search within the channel itself, and then you can search for Fisherman's Wharf within the Get Sidetracked channel. Here's the Sands. I won't go into this one because basically as soon as you get in, it turns quickly into casino world, and you can't bring a camera into the casino floor. There's a small area, but basically there's one area around the back, and if I go in there, it's a KFC and a McDonald's, and then almost immediately you're right into the casino. I have seen people film inside the casinos, but I don't do it because I live here and I don't need any kind of problems. It's highly illegal, not just for the city, but within the casinos itself, so I don't even want to mess with it. There's a sign right there in the orange that says Fisherman's Wharf. It's kind of an interesting area, but I wanted to focus on this one. This is behind Grand Lapa. So this little area that's kind of a Portuguese looking area, and it's kind of cool looking. So we're gonna go into this area, show you what it looks like. So yeah, you got this nice little plaza behind Grand Lapa. Yeah, and sometimes you'll have some event that happens. One time I was filming here about 1.5 years ago with this camera on this channel, and there was like a photography shoot of a model, and they were filming the beauty of this area with her as kind of the focus point. It's pretty cool. Resort and Spa, Grand Lapa. So, okay. And right there is Sands. It's behind the Sands. I do kind of want to focus on this area, but I might focus on another one just for this area. So I might just create a new one for that. And for this particular one, I might just go around the corner a little bit. And I want to capture more of the sand so that people that are viewing the sands, and I might label it accordingly, can view that. Thai restaurant. Yeah, see, actually this space is even cooler. I don't know how I'm gonna label this. I'm kind of getting away from the sands, but this is such a cool little space that it's hard not to. So there's Thai restaurant. Michelin. Huh. Well, anyways, we're kind of getting away from the goal of the sands, but maybe we'll have to label it accordingly. So yeah, this is basically Grand Lapa, and you got this beautiful Thai restaurant, beautiful little area, and there's Grand Lapa, and there's the sands behind it. Oh, this is a parking lot. I want to go around. it's okay. When I get around, if I did go around, it'll just be this big giant space. There's a cultural center on the other side. Looks like this tennis court right here. So but yeah, actually, so that's this is all sands, all that gold, and there's kind of a big sphere right there, and it goes all the way around. And because this area is so cool, I was thinking of just going around and focusing on the sands, but maybe I'll just label them all accordingly. Let's call it like sands slash Grand Lapa slash possibly Nam Thai restaurant. And what we're gonna do next is go into this courtyard, and then I'm just gonna end the video after I film a little bit more of it. My camera's on zoom as well. Well, it's a GoPro camera, so there's only two functions. There's this normal, and then there's the zoom one. And I think we're gonna end it right in this plaza, so you can kind of see. Now I just put it to the regular one, so now you can see the Nam Thai restaurant, sands behind it, Grand Lapa right there. And we're gonna end it for this video in this space. And then another video I did with the World Trade Center, it's right over there. I think I was on the other side of this one. So that's it in the red. Okay. We'll end it right there. The lantern.
Chiquinha.